In this video, when you begin to tile a vanity, like a bathroom vanity or kitchen cabinet, I'm going to show you the first steps, okay? You have to have a 3/4 inch plywood, then you get a 1/2 inch concrete backer board. Well, you want it inset into the cabinet. Well, you need to put cleats up, and I will show you how to do that in this video. So the cleats is so that you can mount your plywood base for your concrete backer board. Next comes thin set, then your tile. So I will show you how to do this. With no further ado, let's do it, and I'll show you how in the process with tips and tricks. Alright. Now for the frost here. We're going to stick this here. We're going to bring this up against it. Alright. We want this level. Okay. We're good. We're right there. Now. Alright, now I'll do the other side. No problem. Alright, how am I going to solve that? The screw is too close to the board, to the cleat. Let me show you a trick. Alright, here's the trick. I'm going to come in here. Alright, I'm going to come about, 1/2 inch, 3/4 or so. I'm going straight in. Now I'm going to push it forward. I'm going to create a concave, alright, a cutout here. As the end result, we come down here, so there's plenty of room. Okay, who would have imagined? Okay, now, all I'm doing is cutting this out. I could use a chisel, but let's say you don't have a chisel. Alright, this is how we do it. Just got to think outside the box a little bit. Okay, if I had a nail bag on me, wearing my nail bag, I might have a chisel in my pocket, but I don't have a chisel. Alright, let's say you just don't own a chisel and you're in this situation. This is flush here. Alright, now, watch this slip right in there. I could have never done that otherwise. Now let's show you up close and personal. There it is. Okay, there's that hollowed out area that I created. Perfect. Otherwise, see how it's inset. It would be sticking out, it would be binding, and this would never be tight. Alright, now I'm going to put in a couple more screws, and I'll tighten that space up there on the back side that I don't like. Now, the scrap looked a lot worse when I had it up close and personal, but that's actually what we're dealing with. Alright, but you see it's tight back here, and that's how I want it, just like that. All the way across. We're going to do that right now. Alright, I'm going to pre-drill. Never hurts to pre-drill. Keeps your wood from splintering or splitting. Alright, depending on what you're doing, but this is trim basically, so pre-drilling is the best way to go. Alright. Okay. There we go. There it is. Okay, up close and personal. Bam, tightened it up. That's all she needed. Now she is secure. Now, if you don't think it's secure, watch this. Alright, solid as a rock. Okay, now, let's see what it looks like. Bam, there she is. All complete. Now, Okay. I'm going to put another one there. Alright. Bam. There it is. Alright, ran into a little snag, and this is how you're going to fix it. Alright, just a little bit off right here. Okay, so I'm going to mark it. Okay, and I'll cut. Put them right here. Okay, and right here, I mean, it's not, I'm talking, it's not much more than a 16th to 1/8 of an inch. We are really close. I'll show you just how close those marks, just how close it is. Okay, now all I have to do is cut off this pencil line right there straight across, and then this little bit right in here, and we'll be good. From here over, we'll be good. Alright. Okay, there it is. Bam. Look at this. There she goes. There it is. Alright. Now this is an inch, this is a 3/4 inch piece of plywood. Alright. You could use 1 inch, but unnecessary. So 3/4 inch plywood is the standard. I went down 1 3/4 inches to the top of my cleat. Alright, 1 3/4 inches to the top of my cleat. Now I have 1 inch left, and then the backer board that's going on top will be a 1/2 inch, so it'll leave me a 1/2 inch of play, and that'll be about perfect for what I'm going to do. Alright. Now for this bathroom remodel, okay, I have some more to show you. This is probably like series 3, but this is a gist of what it takes. Alright, now I went down 1 3/4 inches. The plywood is 3/4 inches thick. The backer board, the concrete backer board, is a 1/2 inch thick. Okay, and so that gives me a 1/2 inch play. So if I use 3/8 trowel, okay, I back butter my tiles, I'll be right in there, and it allows me to make some adjustments, because I want my tile sitting flush on top of this edge of my cabinet, or this vanity. Alright, vanity cabinet, whatever you want to call it. So, alright, so stay tuned as you follow me through this episode. I call it a series, but this is more like an episode as far as I'm concerned. And so I have some more footage to show you prior to this and the process I went through to get here to this point. So I look forward to hear from you. Thank you for following, for being a part of my community. You know, it's a win-win-win. Tell a friend, share, alright, like, and thank you for being here. So, no further ado, never give up, because there's always a way, always. We just have to find out what that way is. There's an old saying from our parents, grandparents' day called, where there's a will, there's a way. So I would tell my dad, where there's a will, there's a better way. Now I say, never give up, because there's always a way, always. Now you know the story. So bye for now, and God bless. And God bless you.